Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make bacon and cheese quiche. This simple guide will help you create a delightful dish perfect for any meal. We will start by gathering all our ingredients, then move on to preparing the savory bacon and cheese. Next, we will mix the creamy egg custard and assemble everything in a convenient pre-made pie crust. Finally, we will bake it to golden perfection and learn how to serve it beautifully. Let's get started on this easy and delicious recipe. Now let's prepare the delicious filling for our quiche. First, cook about 6 slices of bacon until they are wonderfully crispy, then crumble them into small, bite-sized pieces. Next, shred 1½ cups of your preferred cheese. A sharp cheddar or a nutty Gruyere works beautifully. In a separate bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs with 1½ cups of rich, heavy cream. Season this mixture with a pinch of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a dash of nutmeg for extra flavor. With our filling ingredients ready, it's time to assemble our quiche. Take a 9-inch pre-made pie crust and carefully place it into your pie dish. Next, sprinkle the crispy, crumbled bacon evenly across the bottom of the crust, creating a flavorful base. Then generously distribute the shredded cheese over the bacon layer. Finally, and with care, pour the whisked egg and cream mixture over the bacon and cheese, ensuring everything is well covered and ready for baking. It's time to bake our amazing quiche. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place your assembled quiche into the preheated oven and bake it for about 40 to 50 minutes. You'll know it's done when the center is set and a knife inserted near the middle comes out clean. Once baked, let the quiche cool for at least 10 minutes before slicing. This resting period helps it set perfectly, making it easier to serve and enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.